Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time joining me. If it is, please be certain to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I do a video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Today I am doing an unboxing of Lyon Post, and I do a lot of unboxings on this channel all about clothing, so if you enjoy that type of video, you are in the right place. Lyon Post is not a subscription company. It is an online shopping, try before you buy service, and you will go to their website, you will look at their collections, you will click on anything that you would like to try, and it will create a list. They call it a queue, and Lyon Post sends you the top 4 items in that queue, and you try them at home, decide if you want to buy any. Shipping is free both ways, and you send back what you don't want, and they send the next 4 items in your queue. I really enjoy shopping off of their sale. A really special gift for you from Lyon Post, so stay tuned for that. But let's get into this box. This is what the box looks like when you get it, and I think their packaging is beautiful. This is all the information, the prices and the information. There's also a handwritten. We have some colorful pieces there, and let's break into this beautiful bundle. So Lyon Post sells current season, on-trend styles. They are not cheap. This is premium clothing. If you try it, don't have sticker shock because it is expensive. This is a Show Me Your Moo-Moo. This is a crop-like top. And I know, this doesn't look like something I would normally wear, but there's also some pants in here I thought this might look really nice with. Of course, I probably have to wear a cami underneath. We'll look at that in the try. Oh my gosh, I am so happy to receive this bomber. This is by BB Dakota, and this has been on my wait list for a long time. This jacket feels like a denim bomber, and I really like that contrasting stripe around the collar. So that looks short too, so I don't know. Okay, this is the pants I thought might work with that crop top. This is by Girlfriend, and this is the Farrah pant, and these are a wide leg crop pant in olive green. There's a little distressing on the pocket there. There's no zip. These, oh, okay, the opening is on the side, so it's got a flat front, which is usually pretty flattering to my feet. And then the last thing we have is, oh my goodness, it's a dress. You know, I forget what is on my queue because oftentimes items are waitlisted, and I have to wait until they have it in stock to send it to me. So this is a dress by Knot Sisters. It's a red and white, looks like a midi dress. That's a really, really deep V. Oh my goodness. Let's try everything on. Okay, let's talk some real talk now. The price with Lyon Post, they did it again. They always send a handwritten note. This one says, "Hi Kelly, you have such great style. I am loving the Domingo dress. I hope you love it as much as I do. From your friends at Lyon Post." Oh, I don't know how I feel about that Domingo dress. So let's look at the prices. Show Me Your Moo-Moo Tortuga tie top is $124. So you saw in the try-on, I know it's a crop top, but I did think it might pair really well with those wide leg crop pants. $124 is a lot of money. I do think I can wear a shorter top with those really high-waisted pants, and I like the idea of this. I don't like the price tag of this, but I do think it's beautiful. It feels lovely. It's got those opalescent buttons that I love. I think it's really expensive. Is the Farrah cropped pants. They're by Girlfriend, G-R-L-F-R-N-D, Girlfriend Farrah crop pants. These are $84, and I know these are trending right now, and these feel really nice. One of the things I'm not crazy about is that button closure on the side, because it does seem to gap a little bit. I think a zipper would make it lay flatter and look nicer, but I like the feel of these pants. I have something similar coming in my trunk club in a much, much brighter color, so let me know what you think about these. These are a real strong option for me. Knot Sisters Domingo dress, and this is $90.30, and I love this dress. This dress feels really nice. I like the movement of this dress. I like that it has pockets. It's my favorite color. Not real crazy about those tulip sleeves, but that neckline, this plunging neckline kind of ruins it for me. I said I would try this with a cami, but honestly, I don't think I would wear a cami under it. I don't think it's designed to be worn that way. I think you just have to have the courage to show some cleavage if you're going to wear this dress. And I do have that courage, but the dress isn't going to work for me. It really limits where I can wear it because of the neckline. So I think this dress is going to be a no. Is this BB Dakota Zoe bomber jacket. This is $105, and you know, I really like this jacket. I love the fun print and the stripes around the cuffs and the neckline. This jacket's too tight in the shoulders, and I think it's just a little bit too short. For $105, this is a piece I would wear occasionally because it is so loud and distinctive. And for $105, I think this is too much for my budget. Yeah. The Farrah crop pants are, I'm strongly considering. And this top, I think I'm going to send back. Let me know what you think. I can always wait to see when it goes on sale and pick it up. I'd like to hear your opinions on that one. I'm 53 years old. Am I too old to wear that? I don't think there's an age limit on style. I think that you can wear whatever you like. So let me know your thoughts on that down below. If you would like to try Lyon Post for yourself, please go through my referral link. I do have, this is what I was saying about the Lyon Post special. I have a VIP that I've been upgraded to a higher VIP because I am a very loyal customer of Lyon Post. And I have a $75 referral credit to offer to the first 5 people that use it. And let me tell you, Lyon Post carries sizes, straight sizes, from extra small to large. That's all they do at this time. So, and they also have to carry great jewelry. So if you're interested in trying Lyon Post and you use my referral link and you're one of the first 5 people to use it, you can get $75 off of your first purchase. In return, they extend me credit. Thank you to all the ladies. So many of you have used Lyon Post and have afforded me a lot of credit with them, and I really appreciate it. It makes this more expensive clothing much easier for me to purchase. So thank you so much for joining me for an unboxing of Lyon Post, and I will have another video for you in a couple days. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and come see me again in a couple of days. Be sure and subscribe. God bless you.